pricing chart. Ours is the little red bubble, cheapest on the left, most expensive on the right. There's a unit out there going for 28.9 all the way on the left right now. My former company's got one going for 13.9. Your related inventory. This is cool because it's like a mirror and it shows you what you've had in the past or if you have any live now. And so you can see that we've had quite a few of these delisted here at our store in the past. And you see we go all the way back in time. This one was October of 2023. Looks like most of these are all 2023, but then we've got one live right here and it's 96 days as well. So that technically counts as a competitor to the bike that we're evaluating right now. This is our local prices, and one thing to keep in mind is that we'll range this from 1 model year older to 1 model year newer, so 3 model years with this 2020 that we're looking at, just to give you kind of a broader scope. And so there's one new one out there. It's a 2019. I doubt that's new, but they marked it as such. 23 used ones. And you can go through and see what each one of these are competitive with you. There's a 2021 at RJ. They're 71 miles away from me. They've had it for 571 days. 19,000 miles, and we're 31% over their price. You can hit the show button and see what the math is on how we're evaluating that. There's this 19.9. Ours is 19.9. Theirs is 17.9. So we're 11% higher on price. Ours is a 2020. There's a 2021, 7% higher on the model year. 44,000 miles versus 19,000 miles. We're 12% higher on mileage. So, adjusted for 31% over. This is an overpriced bike compared to most of the local market here within 300 miles.